Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start 3ds Max, updated. Open the Start menu, type 3ds Max, and press Enter to launch the application. If you use a pinned taskbar, click the 3ds Max icon instead. For first-time setup, follow the splash prompts to choose units and templates. If licensing prompts appear, sign in with your Autodesk account. I'll also cover quick troubleshooting steps to get you up and running. Set up preferences and templates before you model to save time later. Open Customize Preferences to set viewport, units, and gamma. Choose meters or inches depending on your project, and set grid spacing. Save a custom workspace to preserve toolbars and layouts. Importantly, configure file autosave intervals and default project folders to avoid lost work. I'll show where each option lives and what typical settings are for general use. Create a new scene using File New and pick an appropriate template or empty scene. Set project folder with File Project to keep assets organized. Add a standard camera and one light to preview your scene. Use Alt+W to maximize viewport and switch to perspective for modeling. Save frequently and use incremental versions like My Scene V01 to track changes. I will walk through creating a simple box, applying material, and exporting a render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.